morning again, Your Honor. Your Honor, last week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, you ordered the parties to share all of their displays in opening statement to the others so we don't have to have these interruptions. I did that. The state shared with me 4 attachments. That's all they had. That's what I got. What you just saw on your screen, if you don't remember, I'll ask the state to put it up and I asked for it to be marked as exhibit, is what you already excluded. It states that Mr. Ryan was convicted of murder and I represent the co-defendant who's not on trial on the appeal. How did that not get sent to me so I could bring it to the Honorable Court's attention? 1. And 2, how do we just violate court orders? So, yes, I have a serious motion for a mistrial because it's intentional misconduct.
So, old buddy, hit that like button before you step in and wipe your feet at the door. But we got Young Thug lawyer. He's saying it's intentional misconduct. So basically what he's saying is they're trying to railroad his client. I mean, this YSL case should have been a mistrial many weeks, maybe even months ago, after all the unintended things that they did to Young Thug. So hopefully it's some light at the end of the tunnel for Young Thug and they can get this mistrial at bay. But let's take a rewind and let's go over some facts about the case. So in May 2022, Young Thug, real name Jeffrey Williams, was arrested and charged in a sprawling RICO indictment along with 27 other defendants. Now it's crazy that only 5 defendants with Young Thug are standing trial at this current moment. It all started with Fulton County District Attorney Fannis Willis, who was using the same law to prosecute ex-President Donald Trump in his Georgia election interference case, accused the suspects of being part of a criminal street gang named YSL or Young Slime Life. According to the prosecutors, the gang is responsible for a series of violent crimes including murder, shootings, carjackings, and racketeering. Young Thug and some of his co-defendants has denied the accusation and insisted that YSL is simply Young Thug's record label, Young Stolen Life. But it took a turn for the worse when a lot of the co-defendants started to plea out. Some notably known as Gunna, even Young Thug brother, Umfunk, has pleaded out. Slime Life Shorty also. So it was a lot of different players in the YSL record label that pleaded out and left Young Thug to bear the weight on his shoulder with 5 other co-defendants. But this trial has been a circus from day one, and a lot of people in the public eye saying that they're railroading Young Thug and he haven't got a fair shake. He's probably going to spend at least 30 years in prison. But it's light at the end of the tunnel because the prosecution has broken so many laws that the judge is starting to think twice and he's thinking about just calling it a mistrial. So what I'm going to let you guys see is some of the instances that the prosecution has messed up this trial and tried to railroad Young Thug.
Mr. Johnson, what time are we supposed to start, sir? 8:30. Mr. Johnson?
Yes.
Where's our $40? Here's what I'd like you to do, sir. I would like you to make a donation to your favorite charity and bring me your receipt on Monday, okay? Who else owes me money? Mr. Chowder, don't you owe me some money? I need your cell phone to stop ringing. That's the next thing. If it rings again, it's going to be $10, okay? Per ring.
Well, just yesterday, the trial was delayed after authorities caught an alleged drug handoff between rapper Young Thug and another defendant. And officials say that was the 3rd time a drug handoff had happened in an already crowded courtroom.
Your Honor, we haven't had an opportunity to speak with our investigation team so we can know who exactly is ready. So we
that's
can
the last time I'm gonna accept that answer, okay? Because you got 5,100 people that work in your office, all right? So you can get, or at least be able to tell me in advance who you think you're going to be able to call the next day, okay? So if you could tell your team, the judge is going to ask me this question, so please go ahead and have who you're going to call. All right, please don't let me get any emails tomorrow or over the weekend saying that witness list has not come out, because they need to be able to prepare for who you're going to call on Monday, okay? And I think that's only fair. So can we have that list to them by noon tomorrow?
Yes, we will get that to them by noon tomorrow. And they will be from the list of people.
And copy me. Yes, that's fine. I mean, but they just need to know so they can prepare like you all prepare, all right?
So as you can see, those were just 3 incidents that I just showed you. And the judge, he's getting pissed off. He's actually ready to throw in the towel. I mean, how can you give Young Thug a fair trial if all this stuff is going on? But you guys, you let me know. Do you believe that Young Thug will get a mistrial, or do you think this case will get dismissed? Let me know in the comments. Checking and Jiving TV, and we on to the next one. Peace.